In Feng Shui, every entrance is a mouth, the place where energy, or Kai, breathes into a home. It is both a welcome and a threshold. But what happens when the first thing that greets that energy is its own reflection? The front door represents opportunity, prosperity, and new beginnings. Energy enters through it like a guest. A mirror, however, does not let the guest pass, it returns the gaze, turning movement into stillness. Mirrors in Feng Shui are double-edged. They expand a space, multiplying its beauty, yet they also duplicate its burdens. Facing the front door, a mirror can reflect blessings back out before they ever settle inside. Feng Shui is balance, not fear. If you love the look of a mirror near the entrance, shift it slightly to the left or right of the door. Let it draw in the light, not guard against it. In modern design, mirrors are often placed for beauty and brightness. Feng Shui doesn't forbid them, it asks only that we understand intention. Reflection without purpose creates confusion, reflection with respect creates harmony. Your doorway tells the universe how to treat you. A clear path, gentle light, and a mirror that invites not rejects all become a language of welcome, a silent ritual of openness. Ultimately, energy responds to energy. If you greet your home with warmth, no mirror can block it. The strongest Kai begins in your heart. The mirror merely reminds you who you are when you walk in. In Feng Shui, a mirror facing the front door is neither curse nor blessing, it is a question. What do you wish to keep, and what are you still reflecting away? The answer begins every time the door opens.